Hi, I'm Elly. Today I'm going to tell you my favorite episode, Peppa Pig, Emily Elephant. Are you ready? Yeah, Peppa and her friends are going to play group today. They always hang their coats down. I hope today we have a new pupil, Emily Elephant. Say hi to Emily. Hello, Emily. Hello. Emily's a bit shy. Who would like to show Emily how to hang our coats? Me. I hope we just need one. Peppa, you can show Emily how to hang our coats? Of course. We always hang our coats here. Now, Emily, what did you want to play? Painting, play, or building blocks? I'm not sure. Maybe building blocks. Well, how about others? Building block. Paint, clay, or building blocks? Building blocks. I hope today building blocks are popular today. Emily, we must do building blocks like this. No, Emily, like this. No, meow, like this. Emily, oh, you're all doing very helpful. Now, Emily, what did you want to do? I'm not sure. Maybe. Wow. It is playtime. Hooray! Emily, do you want to play with the others? Yes, please. Can show Emily where we play? Come on, Emily. Can't catch me. Oh, what a very loud noise. Let's see who is the loudest. My first. Squeak, squeak. Wow, that was very loud. Wow, that was very loud. Peppa is the loudest. Emily, your turn. I'm not sure. Please. Okay, I'll try. Wow. Do it again. Wow. Emily, do you want to play my favorite game? What is it? Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. That's my favorite game too. Ooh, this looks very fun. Peppa likes jumping in muddy puddles. Emily likes jumping in muddy puddles. Ooh, this looks fun. Woohoo! And Madame Gazelle likes jumping in muddy puddles. Everyone likes jumping in muddy puddles. Then